Today we're taking a popular drink and we're putting our own giant American-style twist on it. Callie, what is this?
It's a boba tea drink.
You're kind of obsessed with these, aren't you?
A little bit.
To me, this looks like a cup of orange juice full of marbles.
That is fair. This one actually isn't a boba tea. However, that is usually the most common way of drinking boba. This is a mango boba drink. Now, I think you got a mango smoothie, is that right?
I think so.
I'm deathly allergic to mango, so this is his now. But in a normal drink like this, you put big tapioca pearls into the bottom, you use a giant straw, you stab it through the top, and you have a delicious beverage with fun little chewy things inside.
I think we can probably think of our own twist to put on this that might make it a little more entertaining. Did you say you bought some boba?
Yes.
So when you said some, you meant a several years supply.
No, this is like maybe a week's supply. You gave me access to the Amazon account. You bought 1,000 silly putties. What were you expecting?
I have no defense for that. You say that they are tapioca pearls. What is tapioca?
So tapioca is a starch that comes from the cassava plant, and it's used in a lot of dishes like puddings and drinks.
It looks like the preparation for this involves boiling some water. We have a lot of these. Do we need to boil a lot of water?
It's 10 cups of water per cup of tapioca pearls.
Well, each of these is looking like a little over a cup. So yeah, we need a lot of water.
Here's the basic idea. We have a lot of boba. We have a 5-gallon container and we've got a lot of different beverages. Let's see if we can combine them all.
We probably can't prep all of these at once. I'm not sure we have enough stove space or pots, but let's get started and see how much we can make.
So in case anyone was curious, boba pearls actually originated in Taiwan in 1983. When tapioca was first introduced, they thought it was cool, they made boba pearls, and then it was put into very popular teas, which is how you got these drinks. All right, so once your boba start floating to the surface, you're gonna cover them and then let them sit and simmer for about 2 more minutes, then scoop them out and dump them into cold water. There we go. That'll stop them from cooking too much. It's like Orbeez, but you're allowed to eat them. Okay, so you only leave the hot boba in the cold water for about 20 seconds, and then you want to scoop them out, put them into something else. Okay, boba's done. Now we just need to see if Nate's done with the straw in the cup.
All right, we've got a whole lot of boba.
Not for long.
Fewer by the second as Callie continues to eat them all. So I think we have too much for this cup.
Yeah.
We need a bigger cup.
We do.
Okay, I have a bigger cup.
That is a correct size cup.
This is our this is a 5-gallon drink dispenser. I've plugged up a little drink dispenser hole at the bottom just using some packaging tape. It's on both sides.
You think that's gonna hold?
I do think it's gonna hold.
Okay,
I think this is nice and waterproof now. So a 5-gallon cup, that's the child size drink because it's approximately the size of one small child in liquid form.
Ready? Mine's just gonna be a big lump.
This might also just be a lump. We'll find
Great,
out.
let's go.
That's a lot of tapioca pearls.
That is nearly enough.
If I try and
boba.
stir it, is it just gonna stick to my hand?
You should find out.
That can't be enjoyable. How on earth can you like doing that? To try and match the look of our other one, we've got this citrus punch juice, and we're gonna be pouring about 5 gallons of it in, and boy, I hope that tape holds well.
This is how you correctly make a boba drink. And by correctly, I mean we have done everything incorrect so far.
Boba drink for Callie, party of 40.
I'm not getting any boba.
No, I think the straw is lacking a little bit. Guys, for a drink this big, we're going to need a bigger straw. That should be a big enough straw.
That'll do it.
All right, now with the original one, the real boba drink, it had a seal that just went all the way over it and sort of held down. We had to stab right through that.
That is how they work.
All right, I want to drink a little bit more in case the straw itself
I've drank
displaces.
like 4 cups of this. It's all you at this point.
Oh boy, that is
Yeah.
strong juice flavor.
Whew.
Made of corn syrup, I'm sure.
Tighter, tighter. There we go. The least pretty boba drink I've ever seen. However,
No.
it is still the largest boba drink I've ever
It's
seen.
not the least. Well, actually, I don't know how many boba drinks you've seen and how pretty
You
they were,
have
so I can't.
no idea, Nate. Wait, Nate, it's time to break it.
What?
It's time to break it. Ready?
Not when you hold it like that. It kind of scares and terrifies me. That actually worked really well.
It did. It worked beautifully. I need a bench. I've never said that in my life, but I need a stool. I need a stippy stool. We're too tall in the studio to actually have any stepping stools anywhere. So I'm on a chair.
Did you get any? PVC?
Oh no! My mouth is full of plastic, Nate.
Well, I tried. It's kind of hard to drink out of.
Are you just backwashing in there?
It's just hitting me in the face.
Okay, so this is amazing. However, not everything is size accurate because our bobas are still tiny.
Yeah,
We need something
that's
that,
regular boba.
for a cup this size and a straw this size, we need bigger boba.
Or at least something that looks like boba. Well, instead of tapioca pearls, for the look, we're really trying to recreate the look here. We have got some really big Orbeez, and these are unfortunately not quite so edible as tapioca pearls, but they look
They
really
are
good.
edible.
Don't eat Orbeez. Oh boy,
That's perfect.
I love that.
Oh my goodness.
That looks so good.
All right, so here's the thing. The juice looked okay. Usually when you get something like this, you normally have like a bubble tea. It's normally very opaque. We should try something else. I'm not helping at all. No, I'm so happy right now.
I just remembered something.
What?
Orbeez float.
Wait, this is amazing.
I think we should just have floating boba.
We're gonna have floating boba.
This way, when we try and drink it, it's not gonna get stuck in our straw, which is good because it's Orbeez and we don't want to drink them. I got an Orbeez.
How's that going for you?
Didn't love the Orbeez part.
All right, well,
That's
Good.
tricky gray area, but I think we'd be fine.
good.
I think so.
All right, thanks for the drink. Well, you guys keep filming, I'll see you later.
I'm gonna get the door for you.
Nah, I got it. I totally got this.
Maybe put a hand underneath it.
It's not bad, keep going. I'm a soldier. This is America.
Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. Click it there to check out our last video.
We'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.